How to make money while sleeping on Binance. In this video tutorial, I'm going to help you understand this process on how to make money while sleeping on Binance without much knowledge about crypto. On this channel, I turn crypto beginner to a crypto expert. If this kind of video you are looking forward to, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Go down in the comment section, comment I subscribe. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be doing this process practically. Also, I'm going to explain this to you and do this step by step so you can understand this process on A to Z. Here on my screen on Binance, you have to create an account with Binance if you don't have an account with Binance, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create your account with Binance and receive welcome bonus. After you create an account with Binance and you've made this verification process, you need to come to this N option on Binance. And come to this N option, press this simple N, and it's going to take you to this page. And let me just explain this concept of this simple N. It's something they call proof of stake in crypto. This proof of stake, you are staking your token to secure various networks you are staking their token. And in exchange for this, your activities on this, staking on this network, you will receive token in return. And various tokens have different APY. Right here, this Binance BNB offer 2.8%, and if you only stake for 120 days. And mind you, if you use this option over here, you won't be able to withdraw your fund until the end of this 120 days. Note, there is risk to reward making this process. The best part on this process is knowing the risk reward. And there is this stable coin, and with this stable coin over here, your asset will go up in value and go down in value. Then you're going to maintain the same value equivalent to dollar in over time. And note, there's risk reward investing generally. And with this stable coin, you're going to be receiving 2.57 APY and 1.5 APY. That bonus plus bonus, that's going to be like 4% APY in a year. And if you are investing like $1,000, $10,000 and just make this calculation, take 4% APY in a year, just divide it in the 12. That's how much you'll be earning in a month without doing anything on Binance. And there's this token I like to stake if I want to stake a token on Binance staking, and staking another token different from stablecoin comes with higher risk and higher reward. Polkadot in a smart contract project, and here is this token. Right here, this token offer 14.19% APY in a year if you stake for 120 days. And right here, if I change this to 90 days, this APY is going to reduce to this 12.90. And the same thing goes to this option over here. If I choose 60 days, that's 2 months. I'm going to receive this APY in these 2 months. You just need to divide this 11.90 APY in 30 days and divide this to 12 months. 12 months, and this is how much you'll be receiving for these 2 months APY using this 60 days duration. And right here, if you change it to this 30 days, and this is the APY you'll be getting, and if you change this to flexible, this is just 1.03 APY. And mind you, using this 120 days, you'll be receiving this 14.90 APY on this dot project. And mind you, there is risk to reward attached staking this non-stable coin token on Binance or any exchange you want to make this kind of staking. The risk to reward attached to this kind of staking on Binance is this asset can go down in value. Let's say, for instance, this token is trading around $5 on Binance exchange right now. And if you buy this token around this $5 and this token go down in value to, let's say, $2 or $1, remember you purchased this token around $5 and this token is trading at $1, and you see your investment value go down in value. Your investment value depreciates in value, And the same thing attached to reward with this mode of staking on Binance. If you buy this token at $5 and this token eventually go up in value, this token is trading at $15 or $10. Remember, you buy this token initially $5, and this token go up in value up to $10 to $15. So your initial capital investment triple in value or double in value, and you'll be receiving this APY, this 14.90 APY. And let's do the math. If you are staking $500 and your assets go up in value, let's say for instance your assets go up in value like 2 times, you buy this token and it go up to $10, and you'll be having $1,000 in your account. And at the end of this staking, maybe you manage to stake this 12 months. This 14.90% APY is equivalent to $149 and month. Your total amount, your money is with the capital and the return on investment is going to be $1,146. And that is the reward aspect of this mode of staking on Binance. And you don't have to do anything. You just need to purchase this token on Binance and sit back and receive this reward. Make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. Just take this video as educational purpose. And right here, I will be buying this and I will be staking this also. I will need to go to my spot over here and I will need to transfer funds to my account. I'll just use this transfer instance and I'll be transferring $5 to my spots right here from my funding account. And right here I have $5 and I want to purchase $5 worth of this token right here. And if I press $5 right here, $5, I'm going to be receiving 0.95 worth of dots, because I'm going to be staking and I want to show you how this process works. And I'll be buying this crypto at the market price immediately, and I might receive less amount of this token, and I'm going to press buy right here, and right here I'm going to press this buy dot, and right here, and I can't buy this $5 worth of this right now. I'm going to go back again and transfer additional $5 to my account for me to be able to buy this and do this tutorial, this process with you guys. And right here, I'm going to be buying $10 worth of this token, and I'm going to buy now. After buying, I will need to come to this simple N again. Remember, I want to stake this, and I'm going to select this 120 days. Mind you, if you select this 120 days, you won't be able to stake your token. If you have any emergency or you want to use your funds, you have to wait for 120 days until you'll be able to withdraw your assets from this simple N. You are choosing this 120 days of duration of staking on Binance, and you have to come to this option over here, subscribe, and right here, the minimum amount you can stake is 0.01 dots, and I've already staked token around here, and for the sake of this video, I'll be staking the minimum of staking on this is 1. Summary of this sufficient dates, and at the end of this, I'm going to receive this 14.90 APY at the end of this, and you need to press this, click this. You are free to understand the whole process, and right here you need to press confirm, and you have to come to this level and press this again, just confirm, and press this confirm over here. You see, submission successful, and I stake this amount of token and submission date and next submission dates, and this is what you need to be doing to get started, and this all information you need to know. Mind you, if you are staking a huge amount of money, let's say for instance you have like $1,000 or you have $10,000, you were able to stake this for at least 1 year, and this token remain the same, and this token did not decrease in value or go up in value, at the end of this staking period, you'll be receiving $149 return on investment. And you don't have to do anything in this staking process. You just have to sit back and just follow this step-by-step guide and make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. Take this video as educational purpose, and if you get value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, turn up your notification bell, and go down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video and this strategy on how to make money while sleeping on Binance. And let me know about any suggestion content you want me to talk about on this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.